certainly if you're in pain, I would go see Dr. Raj. I am retired. I retired in 2007 as a technician from Verizon. Doing that job was very stressful on the back and the knees, and many years ago I ended up with a condition called spondylolisthesis, which is a L5 is bulged forward, and recently I had surgery to correct that, but through the years I've gone to many pain clinics to get rid of some of this pain, and it's been going on since I'm 16. I'm 63 now, and I am recovering from spine surgery right now. But I went to Dr. Raj. I found him online on the internet, and I said, let me take a shot with him, First of all, we're talking about Dr. Raj. To me, he's one of the best doctors that I have ever gone to as far as epidural injections. He's just a very pleasant person to be around. The staff, Yovino and Lisa, are absolutely the best. I mean, sometimes they have to tell me to stop laughing, before they give me the injection. It's just, it's almost like it's fun to go and see them and get this shot. And I want people to understand that it's not, it's kind of like a root canal thing. When you first get your first root canal, you're scared to death. And then you get that root canal and you realize it wasn't as bad as you thought it was going to be. Well, epidurals are the same way. The most you're going to feel with Dr. Raj is a little pinch. He'll work you right through it, and before you know it, you're done. You're done in 5 minutes. You're up, walking out the door, and you're fine. The guy is great. My surgery was done by Dr. Sonstein in Great Neck. He's a neurosurgeon, and we did a spinal fusion, L5 to SI, and I'm recovering as we speak. Dr. Sonstein is an excellent doctor. He's a neurosurgeon. Just meeting him for the first time, you knew right away he knew what he was going to do. He saw right away. He saw something that no one else saw. I went for many MRIs for this condition, and he said, forget about the MRI, I want an x-ray of you. No one ever asked me for an x-ray before. So we went for an x-ray, and he said, I wanted to see whether you have a fracture or not. And I said, okay, went for the x-ray. Came back, he saw right away you have 2 fractures, and that's what I was wanting to see, is whether you had fractures. That's what started this whole surgical thing, and he fused it together, and I'm recovering as we speak. I've had many injections through the years, and I found that Dr. Raj was just one of the best that's ever put a needle in my back. I wouldn't hesitate to go back to him if I had to.